Welcome in. Today we are going to talk about how to design your dream kitchen. First close your eyes and think about what exactly your dream kitchen should look like. Then browse internet, Pinterest, Instagram, many other sources and find similar images which exactly matches your imagination. Then put them into one panel. It's called mood board. Now I'm also creating a mood board with you. This is the first thing we do when we are doing any kind of a professional design. It's called creating a mood board. Here we are trying to understand the mood that we exactly want or our client wants. Now you have some visuals of how your dream kitchen looked like. Then I'm categorizing these designs into three styles. The first one is ultra-modern, the second one is modern contemporary, the other one is classic. Now I'm going to explain these three styles with the images for you to get a better idea. The first one is ultra-modern. In this one we can see clean lines but different shapes, high-tech materials, high-tech equipment, mostly white color with glossy finishes. When you're seeing ultra-modern kitchen, you can feel like that you're in a space cruise kind of idea. The second one is contemporary modern. The contemporary is a style that we are using nowadays. We can say present style that we are using. It has clean lines, squarish shapes, mostly matte finishes. Sometimes it's all matte. And also we can see adding contrast with different colors and textures as well. The last one is classic. Classic is mostly traditional style. In this one we can see lots of moldings, decorations and different textures as well. By now exactly you know to which category that your dream kitchen will fall into. It can be modern contemporary, it can be ultra modern, it can be classic. And I need to tell you this as well. I've categorized these designs and trending styles according to my perception because we're talking about designs. It's all about what we think and it can be vary person to person. Like if you're designing something, if you're creating something, we can't draw a line and say this is that style and this is this style. That's why the designs are making whole different world and it looks fantastic. But of course you can follow these three styles as your basic. I think now you have picked a style that you want. I also picked mine. As always, it's modern. Please drop your mood board that you have created to this email address and the next episode we'll talk about the world's most trending kitchen designs. Stay tuned.